Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Dogecoin. Wanted to do a bit of a crash update, a bit of an emergency update, because obviously overnight we had a massive liquidation event. I'm not sure when the last time was that we had a liquidation event like this. I mean, it's if you take a look at the total liquidations, it's absolutely crazy. Last 24 hours, same thing. And if you go back into time right here, and we cannot really see that. I mean, you can see per hour. We can check out per 12 hours. Like massive liquidations, all right? So what that meant for Dogecoin is that we were not able to hold the support level right here around 31 cents. We have already talked about this. I mean, I told you on Saturday, I believe, that there was a possibility that we would drop down into 27.5 cents. So hopefully that helped somewhat. But getting a spike down all the way to the level that we did between 25 and like we reached down all the way to 20 cents, I did not expect. And I think it was very hard to expect that. The truth is that there is a lot of uncertainty in the market right now. So what you saw is some sort of a cascading effect of shorts being opened, first of all, to push the price down. And then after that, liquidating a ton of longs, all right? Also some late longs, some longs coming into the price yesterday evening when the price had already fallen down quite a bit. And then you create a massive snowball effect of liquidations, and that's also what happens for Dogecoin here. Because of all the uncertainty in kind of the macroeconomic and macro financial markets and financial sense. So now the big question is, well, what's next? And I have some good news and some bad news about that for Dogecoin. First of all, I mean, if you zoom out here, we hit a massive support level, right? So we hit the support level right here where you have the 0.618 fib, you have the 25 cents psychological support level, you have the 20 cents psychological support level, and then also just in general, a very much respected support level right here. As you can see historically, but also it was also the highs we made the 31st of March. So that was all amazing. We spiked down into that. So purely technically, we have a very strong support level. And then if we look at kind of the bigger market circumstances, I think Bitcoin has found a solid bottom. I think if you look at the stock market, that's at a strong support level as well. So the thing is that purely technically, it doesn't look like crypto, looking at like the general market, like I said, it doesn't look like crypto will drop down lower. But the thing is, and that lines up very nicely with the support level for Dogecoin as well. But the thing is that if you take a look at the structure here for Dogecoin, we are in no sense of the imagination bullish anymore. And then outside of that, there is still a lot of uncertainty about those, more global markets, about the stock market, about Bitcoin. So therefore, the truth is that yes, I do think this spike is the bottom for Dogecoin, and I think we'll spike down again, but I do think we'll be able to hold this level, and that from this level right here, on top of let's say 22.5 cents, we can actually see some bullish momentum as well into like 29, 30, 31 cents. But whereas that was support in the last 2 weeks, that has now turned into resistance. And we have already seen that Dogecoin was very much struggling after the Trump inauguration, which was the last time we actually saw some bullish momentum come in. Since then, it's been struggling with really gaining any sort of momentum. And that's why, especially in the current market circumstances, that yes, I do think the reasons I've listed before are enough to actually secure the bottom here, but I don't see any reason right now why Dogecoin would turn bullish. Right, and with bullish, I mean in structure. So that means that we'll be able to break above 30 cents, break above 31 cents, and start some sort of an uptrend. And that's the bad news. Like I think Dogecoin will be stable. I think we can see some bullish momentum, some bullish price action. I don't think we can get a bullish breakout. And ultimately, the only direction I trade Dogecoin in is unfortunately to the downside. I would short Dogecoin if it would get back up to 31 cents. There's just not enough of a fundamental reason for Dogecoin to stay bullish. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know right now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.